Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's walkthrough, I'm going to show you how to edit your Jira Kanban board in this full 2026 guide. And don't worry, I'll keep everything simple so you can follow along even if you're brand new to Jira. All right, let's get into it. So first, you'll want to open your project. Once you're inside, click the Kanban board from the left sidebar. You should see all your issues arranged in columns, to do, in progress, and so on. Now, to edit the board, open the menu in the top right. It's the three dots. Go ahead and choose Board Settings. This is where all the customization happens. Inside Board Settings, go to the Columns tab. Here you can rename columns, add new ones, delete old ones, or, drag them around to reorder the flow. If you want to adjust your workflow mapping, just drag issue statuses into the columns you want. Next, head over to Card Layout. This lets you choose what info shows on each card. Maybe you want assignee, priority, or story points. Just check the fields you want and they'll appear instantly on the board. If you want to organize the board by things like assignee, epics, or queries, then open the swim lanes section. Pick the style you want and Jira will split the board into clear horizontal rows. Really handy for bigger teams. Now, if you want faster navigation, scroll to the Quick Filters section. You can create your own filters using JQL, like showing only high priority issues or only tasks assigned to you. Just add a name and the JQL, and you're good. Jira also lets you add color rules. Go to Card Colors. You can set colors based on issue type, priority, or your own custom rules. It makes the board easier to read at a glance, and that's pretty much it. Editing a Jira Kanban board is actually super flexible once you know where everything lives. So play around with the settings until the board feels right for your workflow. All right, that wraps up this full 2026 guide on editing your Jira Kanban board. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.